Okay, welcome. Today I'm going to do two experiments. One is going to see the difference between the water or the substance in this cup versus normal rainwater. Because sometimes when I get nepenthes, all the water is out of the cup. Then I add rainwater just to fill up, but then I've decided I'm not going to do that anymore because the plant is adding its own water to the cup. So I want to see the difference between the water of the cup and rainwater. First I'm going to add rainwater to this glass. Then I'm going to add maggot. Let me just zoom in a little bit. You can still see the maggot is moving in the water. Now I'm going to pour out the water in this one cup. I don't hope I'm going to damage the cup. There's food inside. I'm going to move this glass out of the way. And I'm going to add a maggot into this glass. This is what I'm going to do. So, the maggot in the normal rainwater is still moving. I'm going to put the two glasses next to one another. Let's try to zoom out. maggot in the water is moving much, floating actually, in comparison to the maggot with the nepenthes fluid.